Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I thought I'd show you guys how to get this really simple and fresh look for spring and summer. So I'm gonna start by applying my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer all over my eyelid as a base like I always do. I love this one because you don't have to set it, and that way the shadow that you put on top are going to pop a lot more. For this look, I'm mostly going to be using the Killawatts from Fenty Beauty, but I want a matte shade in my crease, so I'm gonna mix the shades Euphoric and Nostalgia from the Colourpop x Iluvsarahii through my eyes palette, and I'm going to blend this into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. Now for the actual lid, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Inglot gel liner in the shade 94 as a base because it has a bit of a metallic finish. And then I'm gonna apply the Chic Phreak shade from the Girl Next Door and Chic Phreak Killawatt duo from Fenty Beauty. I wanted the lid to be a little bit more yellowy golden, so I then added a little bit of the Mimosa Sunrise shade from the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset Killawatt duo on top, and I love this shade. For the outer corners, we're gonna add some purple. So here I actually mixed the two shades from the 7-Day Weekend and Poolside duo, and I applied this into the outer corners and into the crease, and then I just blended it out with a fluffier blending brush. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the Sangria Sunset shade and apply this into the outer corners of my lid and the inner corners of my lower lash line. I actually never plan what looks I'm going to do, so that's why I always keep going back and forth with the colors I'm using. Here I am pointing at the wrong color because I'm actually going to use the dark purple shade called Divina. And I'm gonna line my lash line with this shade just to add some definition to the eyes. Then I'm just gonna apply some mascara and feline lashes in the style Russian Blue to complete the eye look. Now moving on to the face, I'm gonna apply my favorite blush, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. I swear I use this one every single day, so I don't know how I haven't hit pan yet. Then I'm gonna go in with the Chic Phreak Killawatt highlighter again and apply that onto my cheekbones and high points for a nice glow. Last but not least, I'm gonna apply some lipstick, and for this look, I'm using the Dose of Colors x Eyeliner Peachy Lipstick, and that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!